Welcome back to Soul Power Snacks! For today's snack animal, you will need 1 date, about 15 or more blueberries, and a half of a banana. Let's get started! You will see I have put my ingredients off to the side, and I also have with me a fork and a spreader. I will be using these tools later. First, I'm going to put my date right in the middle of my board. It's easier for me to plan the outline of my koala's head once I know where to place everything. That's why I started with the date. Now I'm going to grab my blueberries and get ready to plan the circle that will be the head of the koala bear. I just love koalas. They are a cuddly little animal found in Australia, and they spend most of their lives in trees eating gum leaves. How cute is that? Now that I have my head formed, I can move my date nose however I want. I could put it higher or lower or right in the middle. It's up to you where you want to put your date. I have a couple blueberries left, so I will grab 2 of them to be the eyes of my koala bear. I'm just going to adjust a couple blueberries to make sure the head is nice and round, and voila! My koala bear is almost done. Next, I'm going to grab my banana half and get ready to cut it into some slices with my spreader tool. I'm going to cut it into half first because I won't need that many. Next, I'm going to make sure I have at least 6 banana slices, and a couple more would be great. If I have a lot extra, that's okay. I can eat them up later. Next, I'm going to take my banana slices and place 3 of them on each side of the koala's head where the ears will be. I'm going to make a little triangle-like shape with the bananas. Here comes the creative part. I'm going to use my fork tool to give the koalas a fluffy-like ear appearance. I'm going to use my fork and gently press down on the edges of the banana and spread them out to give them those lined looks, kind of like fluff. Now, as I was using this fork, I was discovering it kind of squished my bananas, so I grabbed a different fork. This is a good lesson in being flexible and going with the flow. I just grabbed a different tool to help me make my ears look fluffy. How is your koala bear turning out? I've noticed that part of my banana got squished, so yum, I'm gonna eat that up. And I have some of those extra slices. I'm going to replace the old banana slice with the new one and do some re-fluffing. That's looking better. If you want to use other slices to make your ears even fluffier and give them some layers, go ahead and do that. Yours can look different than mine, and we know being different is awesome. Now I need to give my koala bear a mouth. I'm going to take a banana slice and bite it into half and give it kind of that little moon-like shape. My koala bear is smiling. Next, I'm going to take my banana chunk and cut 2 or 3 more slices just in case. These are going to be the eyebrows for my koala. I'm going to do the same thing that I did with my mouth. I'm going to bite them into halves and make 2 little crescent moons that will be the eyebrows for my koala. How did your koala turn out? Are they smiling at you? I loved making the koala with you. Don't forget to shine your light by eating right. You can find us on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe for more snack animal fun. We'll see you next time. Bye!